Hey there, today I will be showing you how to track phone number location. If you already have the Find My Device app, then you can skip step number 1. If not, then here's how to do it. Number 1. Go to Google Play Store and download Find My Device. Number 2. Once you already have the app, open and log in to your Google account. Number 3. Choose the device that you want to locate. Please be informed. In order for you to locate a specific device, it needs to be connected to the internet. If the device is turned off or not connected to any data or internet, then you cannot locate it. Another way to locate a phone number is through a website like Spokeo and White Pages. But some of these are not free. To do that, here's how. Number 1. Open any browser you have on your phone. Number 2. Search Spoke. Number 3. Once you are on the website, you can choose to locate someone by their name, email, phone number, or address. And again, this one is not free. So, after you have searched on something, it will ask for you to pay for the results. If you are from the US, then you can also try White Pages. This one might be free. To do that, here's how. Number 1. Again, open your browser and search White Pages. Number 2. Once you are on the website, you can choose to locate someone by their names, phone number, and address. If you have concerns about the location of someone you know, it is advisable to contact local authorities or law enforcement for assistance. They have the proper legal authority and procedures to handle such situations. Thank you for watching, and we will see you again in the next video.